What's up, guys? Backwater Bass in here. Me and Carter out hunting Minnesota today. It's April 16th. We're in the same spot a year ago. Carter shot his bird. It's exact field. So we're gonna see if we can make it happen. Get the blind set up. It might start raining later, but got 2 hen decoys and a strutter out. We've got some birds to the left and the right of us. Hopefully we can get one. Come on in. See if we can get this bird to come.
Yeah, I'll give you some light. There's another one.
Yeah.
Oh, that was one.
Right here, right next to the fence. Just leave the camera on. He's coming. Do you see him? He's strutting. He's right here. By himself. Yep. Got him. There he goes. I can't see him yet.
You're good.
Is he coming?
He's to your left.
Yeah.
You're good, I got him.
Is he still coming to the right?
Yeah, he's still coming.
Let's go, baby.
No fucking
Dude.
way.
I'm like, he's gotta be coming. He shut up. He came right in. Are you kidding me? He was fired up over there all morning, and then he just stopped. We heard one gobble, and he was a little closer. In the last 10 minutes, nothing. I'm like, dude, he's gotta be coming. Popped right up out of the corner. Let's go, dude.
Let's fucking go.
Nice.
Nice job.
Nice.
Nice job.
Gobbler down. Here we go. All right. Don't get more perfect than that.
No. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
Textbook.
I know.
Let's go get another one.
Yeah, for real. I bet those birds are still out there in that field.
Should we go check her out?
Yeah, guys, well, there he is. He was gobbling up there all morning. He started gobbling first, and then we had birds gobbling over here. And then these ones shut up, and this one fired up after he hit the ground. I think it must have had hens with him because he was just sitting over there one spot gobbling forever, probably half an hour to 45 minutes. And we just kept calling at him, kept answering, and then once he gobbled a little closer, then he just shut up. Yeah, it's the last 10 minutes, and he's got to be coming in. Sure enough, popped up right next to here, walked right in, bam, got it done. There it is, guys. That's what the setup was. We're gonna pick up and see if we can go get Carter on a bird. All right, guys, just got the bird loaded up. Gonna head back out, see if we can't get number 2. All right, guys, just got set up. Right on the edge of the field here. Walking in, we bumped a couple hens. No towns, so that's good. We heard a couple gobbling over here this morning. Hopefully we can call one in. All right, guys, well, we've got a bird that's gobbling up at the top of the hill up here, and we've been waiting him out for a while, and nothing. I think he's heading up, so we're gonna walk around, and there's There's a bunch of little knolls throughout the hillside here. We're gonna see if we can set up somewhere over here. Get a different angle on them, maybe call them in. It works. Or if you can you lean up on the front of that tree?
What?
Can you lean on the front of the tree?
I know that one.
Okay, yeah, get on the front of that one. Just use the other one as cover. He's not far at all. There you go. Alright guys, well, this bird shut up on us for about 20 minutes, half an hour. So we're just gonna pick up and move and go try to chase something else. And the thing got right above us. There's like a little kind of grass field right up top there. It's on the top of this hill. And they have to be right there. They're probably like 60 yards. We were just below this right back there. They've got hens. I'm not responding to the calls, just randomly got one every once in a while. Hopefully we can get one to pull on down.
Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up the hunt. Chased after a couple of birds, got close, you can see we had the hen right on us, and the tom gobbler probably like 70 yards away, top of the hill above some thick stuff, but never could get on them. So ended with one bird. It's pretty cool. Bird did it perfect. So that's first bird of the year for me. We're going to see if we can go back out one day and do a carter and show the bird. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.